Hello friends, time is 11. The customer came to us 7:30 in the night and it was his birthday. His wife was gifting him a PC. We could not say him no. So to start with, the processor we chose the 12400F 6-core 12 thread. The GPU we chose GeForce RTX 4060. RAM is going to be XPG Lancer 16 GB and SSD is the S50 Core XPG. Motherboard is H610M G Wi-Fi. It's one of our favorite board. This is the case, the Esports Z2 Crystal. We just finished the build. We started at 7:30 and we are going to run the benchmarks. Okay guys, time to go and hit the bed. Good night.